Welcome everyone to this course, Artificial Intelligence for Everyone, and the tagline for this course is the easy approach. Now, why I have kept the tagline as the easy approach is because I have often heard people talking about artificial intelligence, and there are several people around there who are just they are just mute spectator because they feel that they don't understand artificial intelligence, and lots and lots of myths are going around in the air about artificial intelligence, that it is gonna burst the world, it is gonna end the world, and all those stuff. And the reason why these myths are being spread in the world is that why? Because they don't understand how artificial intelligence work. So this course over here is the easy pass for you to understand what is artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, my name is Sudhanshu Saxena and I'm a senior business consultant and a data scientist for artificial intelligence and several other technologies around artificial intelligence. I have taught so many people, like 6,000 people in the classroom, and I have close to 10,000 international students through video tutorials. I have hosted many webinars on artificial intelligence and machine learning so far. So I'm really excited to give you this course, and this course, I just want to give you some points about this course, right? So whether you are starting out with machine learning or data science or artificial intelligence or any domain, any data related domain, or even if you are a non-technical guy, or if you are a functional guy or a managerial guy, this course is the right course for you. Even if you are a teacher or if somebody who is you think that you are too old to understand any technology, even this course is for you, because in this course I am not talking anything technical about artificial intelligence. This course is designed in such a way that everybody can understand this. Even your 10-year to 12-year-old kid can understand this whole the tutorial. So by the end of this course, you will be able to recognize what is happening around the world with respect to data, right? So after completing the course, you will be in better situation to understand what are these technologies doing, whether you are using artificial intelligence as of now or not, whether what is happening around in machine learning world, right? So how we are going to proceed about this, right? We are going to talk about what is data, which means that I'm starting the things from very scratch in the most simplest manner. I'm just talking about what is data, how this whole artificial game has been emerged in last 5 to 6 years, right? I'm talking about data, and then I'm talking about big data. So we'll talk about how big is big data, where this big data is coming from. We also talk about like which all companies are using big data. We also talk about what is analytics and why we use analytics, why companies are after analytics nowadays, what is this data analytics all about. And then you often get confused, right? So we have to use this term like big data, we talk about data analytics, we talk about machine learning and artificial intelligence, and then we talk about data science. What is what in artificial intelligence domain? This is what I'm going to talk about, right? So we'll talk about what is business intelligence, right? We'll talk about artificial intelligence in depth, and we'll understand the types of artificial intelligence as well. We'll talk about what is machine learning, and I'm going to talk about machine learning applications in the real world, which you guys are using, right? So I'm really excited to share all these knowledge with you guys. We'll also talk about what is data science and what is the connection of data science with machine learning with artificial intelligence with data science, BI with data science, big data with artificial intelligence. All those connections will be super clear in your mind once you join this course, right? So I'm really excited to bring this course to you. I hope you are also excited, right? So enjoy the course and let me know your feedback, how you've learned this course. Couple of things before you jump into the course. I am assuming that you don't know anything about artificial intelligence. This course is for the beginners. If you're looking for technical knowledge, this course is not for you, because I'm not using any technical jargon. I'm using the most simplified manner to talk about artificial intelligence. Even if your dad or if your grandparents wants to understand what is artificial intelligence, this is the right course. Okay, so it gives you the basics, from the scratch, right? It's from the very scratch understanding of what is happening and what is what in artificial intelligence domain. So the terminologies I have used are very easy to grasp. It's a very easy to adopt kind of language, and the concept which I have used over here, it will help you bust the myths of artificial intelligence, right? And we also talk about like how machine learning is working, right? How computer think about the data, and what happens, like what are the inspiration of machine learning, how machines start learning, what to expect from machines, and all those kind of stuff, right? We'll also you will also be able to take part in the conversation of artificial intelligence once you go through this whole course, right? And if you are a student, right, if you thinking of starting something in artificial intelligence and getting confused whether you should go for big data, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, or data science, or machine learning, this is the right course which will tell you which path you wanted to go. So any section which excites you the most is the right career path for you, right? So I really can't wait to see what you are going to learn after this, and what knowledge you get in this course, right? Please do share your feedbacks and your ratings to us, and in case you have any questions, feel free to type in the question. I would love to answer this course. Enjoy the course, guys. I'll see you in the lectures.